Hi everyone, this is Jack at Padgetts Motorcycles once again. I just want to be showing you some of the fine new stock that we've been fetching in this last couple of weeks. This is a 2006 BMW. It's a K1200S in the beautiful BMW colours of yellow, grey and silver. It's fitted with a load of accessories. You've got your touring rack on the back. This is good enough to fit any giddy box too. You'll then be able to see down here, hopefully, you've got the Akrapovic. That's a full system fitted by BMW as an original part. Really does sound good. I'll be showing you that in a moment. The bike itself is extremely clean. It's been well looked after. Just under 12,000 miles and a full BMW service history to go along with it. We'll just flick the bike on. Where everything come on. Notice this has the ESA as the onboard computer. It also has ABS fitted as standard as well as heated grips. I'll just get everything booted up. That really is a nice sound. She has got a proper growl. Well, there she is, guys. Look out for more fantastic bikes coming this summer from Padgetts Motorcycles. www.padgettsmotorcycles.com